Thank you for visiting us at KelownaChevrolet.com, where car buying is easier than you think. Check out this top-quality pre-owned vehicle in stock and available for sale now. Each pre-owned vehicle undergoes a thorough 150-plus point inspection and is reconditioned to the highest standards. Our GM-certified vehicles also come with a minimum 3-month, 5,000-kilometer used vehicle limited warranty, with the option to extend or upgrade to an even more comprehensive CPO protection plan. For your peace of mind, each vehicle comes with a free car-proof report outlining the vehicle's entire history. Great finance rates are always available through all major banks, and our financial service managers will ensure you receive the right terms to suit your budget. Be sure to ask about our extended warranty program, providing you with added peace of mind and carefree driving for years to come. Also, all our vehicles are market value price, which means we're always priced below the competition. No need to worry about negotiating a great deal, because we price all our vehicles aggressively to give you the best price up front. Over here at Kelowna Chevrolet, if your vehicle needs maintenance or repairs, you can count on us to provide exceptional service. We offer temporary loaner vehicles for your convenience, or try out our valet service. We'll pick you up and drop you off when your service is completed. Feel comfortable in our customer lounge with free refreshments, cable TV, children's play area, and free Wi-Fi. We invite you to experience the amazing atmosphere at Kelowna Chevrolet and the service that will keep you coming back again and again. We're located at 2350 Highway 97N in beautiful Kelowna, BC, and always online at KelownaChevrolet.com, where our new and pre-owned inventory is updated daily. Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.